Isn't it a fact, guys, that small things done rightly can help us grow enormously? But small mistakes, not being attentive to the small things, can cause tremendous problems as well. Most times, relationships break not because of the big things, but because of the small things that are ignored, that are neglected, that are taken casually. And then a big thing turns out to be like the last straw on the camel's back that makes it sit down. Often, road accidents happen in those split seconds when we are inattentive. Haven't we seen safety signs on many roads in India which say Najar hati, Durghatna ghati? Also, many a times we've seen homes or factories or cities being burnt down to ashes because of sheer neglect by certain individuals. Staying alert is a very important principle in saving ourselves and others from disaster. As soon as the lockdown is relaxed a little bit, we all want to come out like a bird freed from a cage, and rightly so. We've never been confined to our homes like this before. But let's not forget that we may fly out casually, but the hunter, COVID-19, is still out there to shoot us down. It's heartbreaking to see the situation in front of us today. People of all ages are losing their lives. Let us remain alert. Let us not drop our guards. Let us follow all the required mandates and protocols, whether they are about staying home, using masks when we have to go out, or suggested measures like getting vaccinated. Let us be careful. Save our own lives, those of our near and dear ones, and of everyone else as well. Also, what we are going through may seem like a long, dark tunnel with hardly any light being seen from anywhere and with no signs of the tunnel ending. I think one of the very crucial things to see some light is to not consume so much negative news. To be updated is important, but to be obsessed leads to depression and hopelessness. Let's also look at the positive news. So many healthcare professionals and other frontline workers are posting touching and inspiring stories of their interactions with COVID patients. Let's make those go viral and spread some light as well. Let us not lose hope. Let us be hopeful. In the past, we as a nation and globally we as a humanity have been plagued by multiple challenges. But together, we've always come out of it. That is the power of the human potential. Let's remain united in our attack against COVID-19. And yes, let's not forget that there's no language sweeter than kindness. There is no religion greater than humanity. There is no duty more sacred than service to others. And there is no satisfaction deeper than being useful for someone. So many have come forward to help in big and small ways at this time. The magnitude doesn't matter. The intention to truly make a difference does. Whether it is for your domestic help, the watchmen in your buildings, or stray dogs on the streets, or for your friends, colleagues, or employees, or for the general masses, where you contribute your bit to some non-profit, many of whom are doing incredible work at this time. Be helpful. किसी की अपनी कैपेसिटी से, अपने हिसाब से मदद करे. याद रखें, सबसे बड़ा योगी तो वो होता है जो दूसरों के लिए उपयोगी होता है.